3 সেকেন্ড পরে হাতেই ছেড়ে দিন। Hi, good morning everyone. I am Rana Muhammad Jael. I come from Bangladesh. Now I am working in Singapore. I am professional CGTH welder. I all welding I can do like GTAW, SMAW, FCW. This is our workshop. My company name is Exact Service Singapore. Here lot of have SS job. Now I want to show our welding.